If you want to take screenshot without buttons on CMF Phone 2 Pro, you have a couple of ways to do so. For example, if you open an app and if you want to capture a screenshot, you can just open background apps, and then over here, as you can see below the preview, we have the screenshot option, so you can tap on it in order to capture the screenshot. Now, there is also another option, that is the gesture screenshot, but we need to make sure that it is enabled because by default it is actually deactivated. So we want to open settings, scroll all the way down and choose special features. After that, go to gestures and open screenshot gesture. Make sure that 3-finger swipe is enabled. And now you can just swipe from the top, for example, towards the bottom with 3 fingers like this in order to capture a full screenshot, or you can press and hold with 3 fingers like this and then swipe down in order to select the area that will be selected, so you can capture a selective or partial screenshot. You can also grab by the corners or sides in order to crop the screenshot even further or adjust the cropped area. And there we go. Then we can of course press save over here in the top left corner, and that's all. So I think these are all main ways to capture screenshots without using buttons. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!